Hi everyone. So today we're gonna discuss about scanner class in Java. So basically there are few classes which is already defined in Java. One is object class, another one is this scanner class and string class also, and math class also, and many more. So these are already defined in Java, and they have some like methods also and some objects also in this classes. So to like suppose I want to take a input for any program, example even in odd. So to check even and odd, I just want user to give input. Like some of you wants to input 20, some of you wants to input 5 or 13 or whatever 8, and so on. So every person have their own choices, so they have to input that value. To take a user input, we use a scanner class. Scanner class is present in a java.util package. So you have to import this package before before the use of scanner class. So it is present in a java.util package. Now what scanner class do is scanner class takes the input of, like, suppose integer type or double or character or string, and anything you want to take as an input. So what it will do is we have to create an object of this scanner class. How will we create this object? By using a new keyword. So this we will write scanner s is equals to new scanner and pass a predefined object, that is system.in. What is the system.in means is standard input. Okay, so this is already defined in a scanner class. This object is already defined in a object scanner. And now what we have to do is they have some methods to take an input, like next int or next or next double or anything else. So what next int do is take an input as an integer. Okay, you have to write as an integer input, and next is used for a character input. And next double will take a double as an input. It will convert that input into a double. And similarly, to take string as an input, we use next line method. So this will take string as an input. Okay, so these are the methods. Now what it will do is, suppose I am just using an string, a string s is equals to str is equals to, we will call that particular this object what we have create s dot next line. We call this method. Now what we have to do is simply pass this string, how are you. User will give this as an input. How scanner class will read this particular input is, this will convert this whole line into a small token. Small tokens. What are tokens? Tokens are the smallest elements which they have some meaning in Java, So how are you? It will divide into a 3 parts, and scanner class will read these tokens. Okay, so the whole line is divided in 3 parts, and scanner class will read this input. Now what is, like, drawback of scanner class is, uh, suppose I want to give a very 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 long input, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, really really wrong input which is not in a range. So we cannot use as scanner as an input things. So we will discuss this later on, what we will use for such a long input. And in scanner class we have to use this line and this line. These two line are mandatory to take a user input. Now we will see one example, then I will tell you one more thing. Suppose I have created this scan example as in class. Now what I'm going to create a main method public, because main method it whole class will not execute. JVM first search a main method, then it will start execution. Public static void main, and we will pass arguments in a string arrays. And in this I will take a user input. First I will write system.out.println. Okay, in this I will write enter your number. Okay, simple. It will print the same this line as it is. Okay, after that what I will do is create a scanner class object. S is equals to new, we will use a new keyword scanner, pass standard input, and you can see that it is highlighting some error. So what it is saying is scanner cannot be resolved to a type. So what I will do is import scanner class. Scanner class is import java.util scanner. Okay, so we use this, import this, and the error is resolved. After that what I'm gonna take is, suppose I will take an integer as an input. So declare a variable num is equals to s next. You can see there are so many methods which scanner class includes. So we are gonna use next int. Okay, and simply just put semicolon. Now let me create an this program as an even and odd number. So what I will do is check whether if this number is divisible by 2, so it gonna print system.out.println, and even and else. Okay, simple, very easy program. It will take a user int and that number is check. If it is divisible by 2, it will print even, else it will print odd. So let me run this program. Okay, first save this program, then run as. Okay, main method. Okay, sorry. Here you can see that enter your number. Now I'm gonna take a input as 20 and just print in, just press enter, and you can see that it is even. Again I will run this program, and this time I'm gonna take odd number like 5. It will tell odd. So this is how we take a user input. There is one more thing. Okay, suppose sometimes like someone has created a program and it is form, it is requires some data. and there is one field gender. So what is gender do is, some people will type female as a gender, or some will type F. The first solution of this problem is just define in the statement, like enter your gender in a form of F or M. Okay, or if there is no specification, to avoid this situation, what we have to do is simply use s dot next to take character, like whatever character you will check, or for the full word you will say char at, and give the index value. The index value is starts from 0, so it will check that F is index 0, so it will F. It will take as F. We'll see this example in an Eclipse. Here, I'm just so here I will say enter your gender. Okay. Now, what we gonna take is char C, or sorry, gender G is dot next dot char at 0. Okay, simple. Now I will save them and exit this. Enter your gender. Well, wait. I will print this character. Println, and in this I will just pass G. Okay, we will see what will be the output. Okay, save this program, then execute. Enter your gender. Suppose I am writing female. Okay, so it is taking F as an input, and whether we write again, I'm gonna print. Now I will say F. So what will be the output? F. So ultimately it will take only the first character to avoid whether yeah, here. So it will take first character and store that character in a database. F is for female. Either you write this or this, the output will be F. F means female. Or you write proper male or M, the output will be M only.